Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. I slept very well. How about you?
I slept well too. I feel relaxed today.
That's good. Do you have any plans today?
No, I don't. I'm free today. What about you?
Me too. I don't have work today.
Great. Let's spend the day together.
I'd like that.
I'm gonna make coffee.
Nice. I will prepare breakfast.
What are you making?
Eggs and toast. Something simple.
That sounds good.
Breakfast is ready.
Thank you. This coffee smells great.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, please. Just a little.
What should we do today?
Maybe we can go to the mall.
Yes, I need to buy a few things.
Okay, let's get ready.
I'm going to take a shower.
I will get dressed.
What are you wearing?
Jeans and a t-shirt. Something comfortable.
Good choice.
Are you ready?
Almost. I just need my bag.
Take your time.
The weather is nice today.
Yes. It's sunny, but not hot.
I like this weather.
Me too. It's perfect for going out.
The traffic is not bad.
Yes, we are lucky today.
The mall is very busy today.
Yes, it's the weekend.
Let's look at the shops.
Sure. Which store do you want to go to first?
The clothing store.
Okay, I'll follow you.
I like this dress.
It looks nice on you.
Thank you. Do you want to buy it? Yes. The price is good. Great. Now I need shoes. Let's go to the shoe store. These shoes are comfortable. Comfort is important. I'm very hungry now.
Me too. Let's eat something.
What do you want?
I want a burger, fries, and a cola.
I want pizza and juice.
Let's sit here.
This place is clean.
Yes, and the service is fast.
The food is ready.
Great. Let's eat.
This burger tastes good.
Yes, but it's a bit salty.
That's true.
I'm full now.
Me too. I can't eat more.
Are you tired?
A little, but I'm happy.
Me too. Today was nice.
Thank you for spending the day with me.
Thank you too.
Let's go home and rest.
Good idea.